Whether you're buying or selling, there are closing costs involved in a real estate transaction. Just as it sounds, these are the costs that are required to close on the sale of a house. Whether you use professionals to help with sales contracts and paperwork and anything else, you will have some fees. So let's get into them. If you're a seller, you have closing costs. Likely you have a real estate commission, but even if you don't use a realtor, you will have title and transfer taxes to pay at closing. These amounts are generated by the state and based upon the sales price of the house. So it does not matter who you use, those fees will be the same. Things like a recording fee and a couple other paperwork fees may change from company to company, but are generally pretty similar. Other seller considerations that may not actually be closing costs, but will be deducted from your proceeds are any outstanding mortgages or other liens on the property. And if you have any unpaid taxes, HOA dues, water bill, and maybe a few other homeowner costs that need to be included at the time of the sale. If you're a buyer, you too have closing costs. Again, you may have a real estate commission to pay, and you may have fees to a mortgage company if you're not buying cash. But you will definitely have a recording fee from the title company, and if you have a mortgage, you will have title fees that will have to be covered at the time of close. Again, not necessarily a closing cost, but a requirement will be prorated, aka prepaid taxes, insurance, and possible HOA dues. And of course, you have the percentage of your down payment as well. Look out for special assessments as the most common other costs, and be sure you're working with the best professionals in real estate to inform you of those potential costs. Sometimes your realtor or mortgage broker cannot give an exact amount for the various reasons, but they can inform you of reasonable expectations. So work with the best and get the best. Check with me if you have any other questions. I'm always here to help.